Particle P is moving along the line OX with an acceleration of 6t minus 18 meters per second squared at time t seconds. When t equals 0, the displacement of P from O is 0 and its speed is 24 meters per second in the direction OX. Find the values of t for which v equals 0 and the values of x for those two values of t. So the acceleration is 6t minus 18. The velocity is going to be the integral of that. So that's going to be 6t squared over 2, which is 3t squared, minus 18t plus a constant. Now we know at t equals 0 that v is 24. So we get 24 equals c. So v is going to be 3t squared minus 18t plus 24. And that's in meters per second. Now, we want when v is 0. So that's 3t squared minus 18t plus 24 equals 0. Dividing through by 3 gives me t squared minus 6t plus 8 equals 0. We can factorize that to t minus 4, t minus 2 equals 0. So t equals 4 seconds or t equals 2 seconds. Now we want the values of x, or the displacement, for those two values. So displacement is being called x in this question. So x is going to be the integral of 3t squared minus 18t plus 24. So that's 3t cubed over 3, which is just t cubed, minus 18t squared over 2, which is 9t squared, plus 24t plus some constant. But we know that it starts at the origin. So therefore, c is equal to 0. So x is just going to be t cubed minus 9t squared plus 24t. Of course, that's in meters. So x of 2 we want to calculate, and we also want x of 4. So if t is equal to 2, we're going to get 2 cubed, take away 9 times 2 squared, plus 24 times 2. So that's going to be 20 meters. And we also wanted x of 4. So that's going to be 4 cubed, take away 9 times 4 squared, add 24 times 4, which gives us 16 meters. So in part B, we want the distance travelled in the first 3 seconds. Well, we know that s of 0 is 0. That was given to us in the question. And we know that s of 2 is when the velocity is 0, so that's a potential turning point. So s of 2 is 20 meters. And then we want s of 3. It's called x in this question, so let's just change that to x. So x of 3 is going to be 3 cubed, take away 9 times 3 squared, add 24 times 3, gives us 18 meters. So what must have happened here is it starts at t equals 0, and it goes out. So at t equals 0, it's at 0, and at t equals 2, it's at 20, and then it stops there and it comes back a bit, so that at t equals 3, it's at 18. So that's 2 meters and that's 20 meters, and so the distance travelled is just 20 add 2, which is 22 meters.